Hi everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Today I want to talk about heat exhaustion. Nobody's immune from it, and during these last few weeks things have been very hot and they're going to continue to be hot. So I have a few tips that I'd like to share. First of all, it's very important to hydrate in the morning. When you get up, you should always be drinking at least 16 ounces of water first thing. Try to drink more. If you're going to be outside, I would highly suggest you hydrate often in the morning before you head outside. Always make sure you take some breaks. Have a cool place to be. Have a bucket of ice water with a rag and make sure that you put it on the very back part of your neck or on your head. Wear a visor if possible, or a very ventilated hat. Heat exhaustion is not something that anybody should be thinking they're immune from, because it will happen to you when you least expect it. So make sure you're hydrated, make sure you're wearing loose, cool clothes, make sure you're protecting yourself, and know that it is something you must be serious about. So stay sure, strong, and steady, and be careful, because the hot weather is among us.